Where? She's killed. God love that girl and she alone at travel.
That quite a big vehicle. She managed to escape without any serious injury. Male driver. Police have just arrived on the scene and they are taking information of the drivers.
Welcome back to MyView TV, the people's platform, the home of undiluted news, reviews, updates, and your daily dose of entertainment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, leave us a comment, like, share, and subscribe.
I don't bring nobody forward in your cheer for me. Everything what you see happen, my natural talent. Let me tell you something. You see, when you know what to please the audience with, it's simple me. So I'm going to tell you something. I must repeat after me. Okay? You ready? All right. No, you know if I say all right. Just wait until we start talking, man. Okay? Don't repeat that. Doesn't matter. Let me just talk. You are about to walk into the greatest season of your life. If you're struggling, it usually means you're at war with two different visions. One for comfort, one for ambition. So guess what you need to do? Pick the one you'll be thankful for the most. Wagwan, my people. Hope everybody doing okay. Hope everybody doing all right. It is Monday. Yet another Monday, I get up and find myself alive. Every day above ground is a blessing. You know? Awesome it is to be amongst the living. And surely, not amongst the dead. Give thanks to life and the gathering. I say, people, Crocus bag of city if you tell you know. You know, so the police them go around, so find some people with gun and have them in a custody. People dead right over there. Look, I just start the news right there. So 5 arrested, gun and ammo seized right in Manchester. The police in Manchester on Saturday seized 2 M16 magazine and a 9mm pistol, arrested 5 people in a parish-wide operation. When my link my brother Lucas, he confirmed the operation to me. He said right round at Greenville, a 9mm pistol was seized after a man reported they dropped the weapon and run from the police at about 3:30 a.m. So I'm saying my view, you know, so the police team the operation here and them saw a man will act suspiciously. And before them could have called the boy for a search, the boy goes a boom and drop his gun on the ground and run. I know the police them still have one nana panda which party run because the boy just disappear in that teen ear. Lazy police them lazy. Because kill the police them should have killed that. Then the police them say an hour later them decide to go right round a Scott Pass. Remember say you know, Scott Pass is not for the Manchester police, but with them enough self, they decide say the client and police them asleep, so them are good on there. Right round a porous side. And them find 2 M16 magazine in a one bag. And them no hold on for nobody, you know. Them say them don't hold on for the soul. However, police apprehended 4 persons, including 2 women, right in a Scott Pass in relation to lottery scamming. But wait a minute. Me can't tell you some people the police them hold on pan because me know some of them name because I go so boom and go for go link them to get some food for give some people. Me here say yo, police have them in a custody. Yeah, right on a Scott Pass, right on a Walker's Gully. The police them go around there, hold on for a couple people. Well. Clement Lowe, them call him Kevin R. Diddy, him a 25-year-old, him a farmer. And Ainsley Peter, them call him Buff, him a 24. Both of them come from Walker's Gully, right where the St. Toulis in a porous Manchester. And them hold on for a little girl to come from Antigua working at the bar. Yes, the bartender. Alicia Lurkin, she a 21-year-old. Left and come to Jamaica, come get herself mixed up with criminal. You understand? The police them say, yo, when them go around, they go search a 2 M16 magazine. They find some sense to kill all the whole of them because them could have dead. You understand? Them serve no purpose. Move from right there, so the one got 5 Castle Heights. Right in a Grand Spend. Don't know say Grand Spend a bad place where they have whole heap of done. Police them say, my view, Sweeney and friends them, you know. My view, we find 12 9mm cartridges during operation and 1 man was taken to custody. They say, where the man name? If you don't feel like saying, I'm going to let out this brother here, you don't make a sad mistake. We need to know where the man name. Them say, all right, my view. Later we tell you where that the man name coming. If you don't feel like saying, I'm going to let him go, you know. Move from there, you know. Right on the treasure beat. Remember, say a couple nights ago, the man then kill the Rasta around there. The Rasta here, me attack by the screen, Mazola. So I guess I go on power, go on. You know Jason? Jason want to tell you right down on the treasure beat side. All him come out and attack, and I said the Rasta was a good man, and never have to kill the Rasta.
Man was a very conscious person. He was my extremely talented artist, and he was really, working with us to make Treasure Beach, bring more art to Treasure Beach in terms of galleries and places to make and display art. And the news of him passing really shook me to the core. And, our condolences go out to his family and his friends. And, it's a very, very unfortunate situation. And I know for a fact that the High Command of the police force are taking this loss very seriously, and that they have vowed to do all they can to bring the perpetrators to justice. But for us, a small little fishing village, which is known to be loving, kind, and full of empathy, it has taken everybody by surprise. And we are praying for the lady who is still in hospital and receiving treatment at this time.
That right there, so. Don't not to be now. 12:20 p.m. on Saturday. Just after them get their lunch. A real and him friend them round there fight over quarter dumpling, Quarter a dumpling. And the man them tab him up and kill him. The people that say my view. How them get instrument round there for tab up each other. But the same corrupt police them, man. Same corrupt police. All they need to do, I get like a piece of butter and give them anything you want and get behind the bars. Can reach on. And I tell you. So the police them corrupt. But this a little MP, Where his name? Christopher Brown. Him say I call for the end to the overcrowding of the database station. Make I tell you something. Make it stay around there full. If them behave themselves, they would have to reach on there in a crowd. Run them for that dead off. Since the police don't want to lick down some of them and kill them on road.
These conditions are unsafe, unsanitary, and unacceptable. They create an environment where violence is more likely to occur and where neither detainees nor police officers can operate safely or humanely. In light of this incident, I'm calling for urgent action to address the severe overcrowding at the Anota Bay lockup, including immediate relief measures and a review of how individuals are being housed.
All right, that right there, so. Watch out now, I can tell you about wicked man Marlon. Marlon, the one of the wickedest man we know, A Kingston 6 man has been charged by the police for allegedly breaking into a warehouse along Water Lane in downtown Kingston and stealing several pieces of furniture. I said the furniture the man steal, it comes to $14 million. 48-year-old Marlon Walker, a so-called barber, but him and a barber is a damn thief, has been charged with warehouse breaking and larceny. They must say to a date for in court. When me ask the police at Kingston Central, them say my view on Saturday, October 25th, and on Thursday, October 30th, the complainant securely locked his warehouse and left. Upon return, he reported observed the locks being cut and several items was missing. The first day, he never reported. He waited until then come back, then he gang and report it. The police were alerted and further inspection revealed that pieces of furniture amounting to $14 million has been stolen. After them go to boom and look at the surveillance footage, them see a Marlon. He was arrested on Friday, December 5th, during a police operation along Princess Street in downtown Kingston. Me not think the police them get back down and furniture them. Marlon sell them the long time. Move from there now and go right over Portmore. I guess I go up got a 60-year-old man dead in a 2-vehicle crash right out of Portmore. Samuel McCarthy. The police said about 3:15 p.m. McCarthy was driving a 2008 Honda Civic motor car along the Municipal Boulevard when upon reaching the vicinity of Silverstone housing scheme, him caught up in a one Toyota Corolla motor car at 3:15 at 60 Shade Yard. You should have the yard. You had to road them that time there. What you do for your road them that time there? Kill off yourself and mash up your man vehicle. Oh well. Ma Samuel dead just like that. Condolences to the family and friends. May his soul rest in peace. Move from this side now and go right on the road because Nordia got you top up her man Twinny. She claims the Twinny a give her bun when a Twinny they are road a drink rum with him friend them. As Twinny come in, roll and stab. Stab him up. Police have Nadia in her custody, you understand? All Nadia could have dead. All Nadia could have dead. Alwyn Nelson, him stab up a schoolboy right in her St. Anne's. The schoolboy in the dead. But police hold on for Alwyn. Why the police them always hold on for them people who are the foolish? Start dead them for dead, you know. So what I said, I mean what I said, do me already. I now take you back. So the lady called me, she never really called me for custody. She just said, me not have no manners. Me not for call her never no Zachary Dumpling because him have a name. So I say, okay, what's the stupid boy name? She said, Mickyle back. And she said, wait, so what's the stupid boy name? Say that to me, say you can't have it your way all the time. So this is like a stupid boy, yeah. Mickyle back, so just driving fast, kill off himself. Me don't know why them now are here. Only thing I said, me I can come back and go pretty top phone when I'm dead. Me sick and tired, I tell you no. Take on time on the road, but on na here. Car can't beat out, you know. Who can't beat out, you only can lie down for ice and chillax. Dead in dead. Alright, move from there, so I can tell you something else, guys. Little bit of shot beat you in the yard last night. Little bit of shot. Me think so need have money. That don't really say a gun salute. So this is like a criminal when I look bad on the screen now. It was for him. Funeral yesterday, the man them bust little bit of shot. Might as well when you take him money when you buy the rounds, you go buy some flowers and chicken back and cook and feed no hungry self. Because you know they are dead for hungry, you know. Because that cannot be gun salute. Might as well you buy some clappers and bust up some clappers that make people feel like say a gunshot. Remember, you know, South today that the people them round there say Mickyle Southie. Poor me! Them say Mickyle Southie say I got dead the day and boom Southie dead in the night. No, remember, I don't really work at a police station. I work at Spanish Town because I have to work at Spanish Town. And move from Spanish Town and said, I got Cancer Spring. No, me I tell you a little bit too much, you know, because I say, my view, the police real. Who asking? If the police them ask if me a police, no, me a gunman. If gunman asks if me a police, yes, me a police. So, I need to know who's asking. All right, moving along. I will literally go move along now. Who don't want to know why down a Westmoreland mash up? Are things like this make down a Westmoreland mash up, you know? Move with me.
Only in Westmoreland.
Check this out. This is what you call a come along.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
So is it start pulling already?
No.
So they're going to pull this house up to right here, right?
Yeah. That's what
So this house was right here. And Melissa pushed it all the way back. So now, these men are using this thing here, come along, right?
pull it forward.
Not chain down, boss.
No, he ain't got a boss, man.
You hear that, guys? They're pulling this up. Only in Westmoreland you see this, right? It'll come. Woo!
Hey, go further, man. Both that rod. Yes, the rope get out. Show some water upon the wood, man. Show some water upon the skid, man.
So if you throw water upon it, what you do?
Yeah, it slide.
Ah.
Yeah, man.
I think some soap water.
No, man, that's good, man.
Soap water.
That's good, Lynette. And the rope I check out and they come down here.
It'll come, man. Woo!
Yeah. Okay, man.
You see this, guys?
Slide off I back.
See how water that road.
It look like this a side that need to come. But you know what? It's not center. It's not center.
See they coming, Lynette. See they coming. Come on. You see water fling off.
Where water come from?
Off a zinc. Off a zinc top. See they come there.
You see, guys? It's coming. It's gonna come right here.
I know you say they will come.
Where? It gonna come right here, sir?
No, you don't. You don't come across the road.
Which road?
Across this road.
It can't come over this, sir.
Okay.
Come on, man.
Okay, man.
That's where it moved from over here?
No, Lynette. That's where the bridge put it.
But where it was?
The bridge guy far over there come right here.
That's lie. That's bullshit. What?
Okay, man. Don't go too near that thing. But if you rub bust, you still going to fly out.
You see how we coming up, guys? Alright.
Come on, man. 2, I'm going to pull together. Okay, then. Some of the girls, they are boom.
And that's why I turn up and chop off that's why I'm married to a beautiful young
Oi.
Thanks for watching. This was a MyView TV production. Remember to share, like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell, tell a friend for tell a friend, and remember, it never bring nobody forward for cheer for him. Walk good.